All right, I'm out here in front of Hamilton Street Market. They started off on Hamilton Street in New London here, and then moved over here off of Broad Street across from the cemetery here, Cedar Grove Cemetery. And this here, they make the best grinders. They have such a fantastic business. Breakfast. They do wonderful breakfast plates in the morning, sandwiches, and their grinders are spectacular. So we're gonna go inside and I'm gonna introduce you to these fine people.
Something else.
Well, we're here with Lynn and her daughter Tabby, the owners here at Hamilton Street Market, and got the menu board behind them, and got specialty sandwiches, wraps, burgers, and it's they get so busy here. We're here. I came a little early because this is, as they say, balls to the wall when they get going. And I got beautiful prepared salads, and but we're gonna go back and Lynn's gonna show us how to make a couple of their famous grinders. Okay, Lynn, you know, we're gonna start. What are we gonna start with today?
Italian combo.
Italian combo. And I was asking Lynn where sometimes, you know, proprietors don't want to share, you know, where they get their ingredients and trade secrets, but Lynn's going to share some of her suppliers, and the bread for one.
Yep, the bread we get from Giuliano's in Niantic.
Yeah.
He has the best bread around.
He sure does.
Crispy bread.
Crispy.
Yep.
Yeah.
All our meats come from Thurston Foods
Yeah.
out of Wallingford.
Yeah.
High quality meats.
Yeah.
People say Boar's Head is the best, but I disagree.
Yeah. So we're putting some capicola.
Capicola, hot capicola.
Hot capicola.
Genoa salami.
Genoa.
We do provolone
Provolone.
and ham.
Provolone and ham.
You can have onions and banana peppers on an Italian.
That'd be great.
Makes it much better.
Great.
And oil and vinegar.
Yeah, sounds good.
Usually the staple that people go towards. This is one of our most popular grinders.
You don't skimp on the ingredients. I know that.
We don't skimp on any of it.
No.
Load them right up. That's what keeps them coming back.
Absolutely. Oh my goodness. Look at that shaved ham. That's the way to go, shaved.
Oh, it makes a big
Absolutely.
difference. Some onions.
Onions.
Banana peppers.
Banana peppers.
Tomatoes and some lettuce.
Salt and pepper.
Yep, salt and pepper, and then the oil and vinegar mix.
And a oil and vinegar mix. Oh,
And this is your classic Italian combo.
that's fantastic. I'm glad you're not charging us by the pound for these grinders. Could you wrap that two halves?
Yep.
In two halves. Let me just take a look before you wrap it. Oh my goodness gracious. You know what? This is a sandwich you're not going to find anywhere else. I put this up with some of the best grinders in the United States. And you know what? The grinders were supposedly invented here in Groton. Okay, Lynn, we were just talking at the end, you know, about the submarine sandwiches being invented here in Groton. I guess all the sub workers, you know, they put together this sandwich, probably the Italian section over on Shaw Street.
Yep.
And but that is one fantastic Italian cold cut combo. Now, what do you think? What do we want to make next? Because I've had your roast beef sandwich grinder. It's
We
amazing.
can do a roast beef.
Awesome.
Okay. Roast beef. Usually horseradish mayo on that.
I'll pass on that.
No horseradish?
No, I'm not big on horseradish.
Regular mayo?
A little bit light, yeah. Thank you.
No, horseradish is the best on roast beef.
I'm funny with that. I never liked it even on my prime rib.
Oh. All right, so mayo, provolone.
Yep.
Rare thinly, very thinly
Shaved.
sliced.
Yeah. Now, what time do you get in here in the morning? Do all your prep.
Well, we open at 7.
7.
So we try to get in here around 6.
Yeah. I see a lot of city workers, a lot of town, state workers come here. They're lined up here when you
Yep,
open.
Yep, we feed all the plow drivers. You like some onions?
Please. I know my friend Tom Garbati's here like every day, what, 10:30
he
for
is.
breakfast? Like
Yep.
clockwork?
Yep, he is. Good guy.
No, it sure is.
Salt and pepper?
Please.
Are we wrapping this one separate?
2 halves
also?
if we could, yeah.
You want to get that?
Yeah. Now that is a roast beef grinder. Now, do you do hot grinders also?
Absolutely.
Absolutely. What do you have? Meatball, sausage?
Meatball, sausage, chicken cutlet, chicken parm, steak and cheese, very popular. And pastrami is probably the second most popular.
Oh boy, I have to try one of those. I love pastrami.
Yeah, we have a very lean pastrami. It's good. Alrighty.
Well, Lynn, thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
And you have one heck of a place here, and I really respect all your hard work and your partners with your daughter in the business. I love to see family-run businesses.
Yeah, we have our moments, but for the most part,
Oh, yeah.
we do okay.
All right, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you.